Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel, obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos that I share to my channel. So guys, I know you are waiting of your favorite topic today. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. Your wait is over. I am presenting beautiful long and short tomboy haircut ideas with fashion hair color. So guys, we start the video. I am presenting beautiful, latest, outstanding, mind blowing, and fantastic, amazing, short and long tomboy haircut ideas. Well, it's up to you which kind of hairstyle and haircut you select for yourself. You select short haircut with bangs or with chin length. It's up to you. According to me, I am presenting beautiful fashion and latest haircut ideas. You can select your favorite one among them and you can go to your hairstylist. No doubt, these hairstyles and haircut will inspire you to get this hairstyle as early as possible as you watch. No doubt, these haircuts are really amazing and they will enhance the personality of yourself. They will enhance your beauty as well. You can see how beautifully girls are carrying these beautiful haircut and hairstyles. I'm showing beautiful, latest, amazing, short and long haircut ideas of Tamil boys haircut. After getting these haircuts and with fashion color, you don't need to style them for long time. After getting these hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime like kitty parties, get together, events, functions, to offices and to college and to outside anywhere. So guys, I hope you like my effort today. You can appreciate me if you like my video through comment section. You can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts as well. After getting this hairstyle, you feel very good and like my video also. After subscribing the channel, your friends and family members will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep energetic me to make video for you guys according to your choice, and it is really pleasure to me. So I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourselves and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourselves. God bless you all. Keep remembering me in your prayers and again like, share and subscribe. Have a great hair day.